Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to go over the truck and some of the stuff that's going to be going on with it in the next few months here hopefully. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. That really helps me out, and we're getting closer to that 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and then we're going to go on to the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. But let's go ahead and go over here and talk to you about the truck. Here is the truck, and as you know, it used to sit on a set of 22x14s, and now it is on the stock 20-inch Laramies. For the winter, it's still winter here in Ohio, and we're going to be getting a set of 24x12s. They're actually on the way, so don't know how long it's going to be for those, but we're going to be putting the 24x12s on here, and they're going to be a 305, 35, 24 Nitto Terra Grappler. I'll let you know the tire. I'm not going to tell you what the rim is, but that's what we're going to be throwing on here. But some updates that we're going to be doing that you'll be seeing in the next few months here is starting at the front with the headlights. We're going to be doing a OEM projector style headlight, probably going to be all blacked out with LED switchbacks in it. Morimoto XB fog lights. Not sure yet what we're going to do with the Grille. I'm getting tongue tied here, sorry. I'm not sure if we're going to leave this chrome. See, this is painted back, trying to remember, 2019, I believe, 2020, early 2020, sorry. And this was not painted, the chrome wasn't painted, so, or cleared or anything like that, so buds kept coming in here and hitting and chipping away at this little bit of paint, because the paint is actually just over top the chrome. It's been adhesion promoted, so it's starting to peel off from where all the buds are hitting it. I'm not going to hide that from you. And this wasn't an OEM grill, so not sure yet if we're going to go back with an OEM grill and just paint all this black and just leave the letters themselves chrome or what. But we'll come to that in the future. But there's the headlights, fog lights, like I said, the wheels, and then we're going to do a set of amp research steps. So I like the look of a truck that doesn't have steps on it, but we're going to be doing the fold down steps because I think it looks better. Next up are going to be the mirrors. So as you know, these mirrors were painted this year and they were all black, that black textured plastic. We went ahead and smoothed them, did this PXR black, and I actually honestly hate it. I really want chrome. I like chrome and black. So we're going to be doing this all paint matched, and then this is going to be chrome, which I actually have another set of mirrors that I ordered, and they seem like they're going to work pretty good. So this is chrome and this is just textured, so it's going to be sent out, getting painted. I'm not going to do it myself. I'm actually may or may not be building a garage over here with any luck. Not dead set on that, but we'll be seeing what we're going to do about that in the future. The corner lights, not really sure if we're going to keep the OEM ones or if we're going to go with a set of Boost Auto Parts switchbacks. Not 100% sure yet, because if you go with the Boost Auto Parts, they have a black border on them, and so then that'll be be chrome, black border, then clear. Not really sure yet what we're going to do with that. We're going to see about maybe having the border paint matched or something, or something done with it. Sorry, not paint matched, but something done with that little border on those Boost Auto Parts, just so we can have an all chrome look up here, not like chrome and then black. So anyway, enough rambling about that. Doing OEM chrome door handles, so this will stay paint matched and this will be chrome. So, and I'm going to keep all of this stuff. So when I take these off, I'm going to keep these, keep the door handles, and then I'll probably do something with the mirrors. Don't know yet. I might try to do those myself. Usually I have John do my stuff, and John doesn't honestly like painting very much. He can do it, he just doesn't like doing it. But moving on back here to the back, starting with the taillights. So we are actually going to do a set of 5th gen limited taillights, and they're actually going to get paint matched the same. Probably going to go ahead and leave the clear parts of the taillight and just paint match everything else. So you'll be seeing those for sure. Actually, Michaela just ordered those for me for a present, so shout out to her, one of the best girlfriends ever. If a girl buys you truck parts, she is most definitely marriage material. Then we're going to be doing a Recon 3rd brake light, and coming on back here, honestly don't know if I want to shave the tailgate or just do a color matched badge. As of right now, I'll probably just do a color matched badge or just a black badge for now, and then in the future I'll probably have this shaved. Have a set of Morimoto fog lights, or sorry, not fog lights, Morimoto license plate lights on the way. I keep getting my words mixed up. It's been a long day at work. New exhaust, so going to do a 6-inch exhaust tip out the side instead of leaving the 8-inch axle dump on there, which all that entails is just putting the little side piece back on the exhaust in my new exhaust tip. Going to keep the 8-inch just in case I want to switch to the future, because also if you know diesels and exhaust stuff, that whenever you put a bigger exhaust tip on here, your exhaust tip is wanting to hit this right here. If you do a smaller exhaust, you don't have that problem, so that'll solve that. That's basically about it exterior wise. I don't know yet if I want to do a set of fender flares eventually. Not 100% sure, because I do love the way it looks without fender flares, and it just makes it look wider overall with the new tires. And yeah, so engine wise, we're going to be doing a 2nd gen swap hopefully in the next year. I'm not, not going right at it right away, because this turbo is still good. It only has 47,000, I believe, miles on it, 48,000 miles. So it still has some good life left in it as long as you take care of it. But that is basically all about the truck, and let's go in here and show you what I have parts wise. Stepping down into the garage is my little work area here, and we have an ATS thermostat bypass for the transmission, the 60 RFEs. Those transmission, the little block likes to get plugged up because it's like a thermostat, and I don't want to feed my transmission hot fluid. So we have a bypass here from ATS. Hopefully we'll install that this summer, because it's been sitting here for actually a month or two. Then we have Avalon Armor King, some ceramic coating. This is actually just for the wheels. I'm not going to use, obviously that's way too much for just the wheels, but I have enough, so whenever I want to redo the wheels, or if for some reason I want to do the truck, which that's just a whole nother mess, I have to do that. And then up here we have a set of Morimoto XB puddle lights for the mirrors, and those are going to be sent out, also paint matched as well. There is the new exhaust tip, just a cheap Amazon exhaust tip. I think it was like 40 bucks maybe. It is a rolled tip, 15 inches long, and here are the mirrors. I actually ordered them off of Car Parts because they had good reviews, and I didn't feel like spending what is it, like $1,700 or something like that for OEM ones. So went this route. These were $366 before shipping and tax. They fit perfect. They work perfect. So hopefully whenever they get paint matched, they will look perfect after that. But so far they perform very well. I put them on the truck for a little bit and tested them out, and they all worked perfectly fine. Gotta clean up some of these boxes. I got subwoofer boxes from when we installed the subwoofers on the truck. So I just wanted to make a short video of the truck and let you know what's going on with it, and so you know what to expect in the next upcoming videos here in the next, we'll say, probably 4 or 5 months. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Helps me out a lot, and like the video. And then remember, we're going to be doing that subscriber giveaway and move on to the next one. So we'll catch you next video.